Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you are fine. Welcome back to the math session. And today our subtopic is from linear equations into variables. Subtopic: find the solutions from the graph. This is not a draw the graph of given linear equation. Find the solutions from the graph. This is our first question. Roman number 3 from exercise 6.3. Draw the graph of equation 2x plus 3y is equals to 11. Find the value of y when x is equals to 1 from the graph. This is the question. Find the value of y when x is equals to 1 from the graph. Here, this is our given equation. 2x plus 3y is equals to 11. Transpose the terms and y is equals to 11 minus 2x by 3. So this is our graph. Here perpendicular values are called y and negative 1 is called y dash, and horizontal axis positive values are called x and negative 1 is called x dash. So we already know you have to draw a graph of linear equation. Must be 3 solutions are needed. Here x coefficient is 2, y coefficient is 3. These type of problems much difficult from remaining one. So we have to take attention of substitution of x value. So here the substitution of x value after the simplification, it must be a multiplier of 3. Otherwise, it will be a fraction and difficult to identify on the graph. Here, we have to take x is equals to 4. So, y is equals to 11 minus 2 into 4. So, by 3, that is equals to 3 by 3. Result is 1. You should write here when x is equals to minus 5. So, y is equals to minus 2 of minus 5 by 3, that is equals to 21 by 3. Result is 7. You should write here. So, when x is equals to minus 2, y is equals to 11 minus 2, again minus 2 by 3. So, that is equals to minus into minus plus 11 plus 4 is equals to 15 by 3. Result is 5. So, you should write here. So, these are the 3 solutions of given equation. Next step, identify these values on the graph. So, first one 4 comma 1. Here draw a perpendicular line of x at 4 which is parallel to y axis. So, when x is equals to 4, what is the y value? It is 1. Draw a perpendicular line of y which is parallel to x. So, meeting point is called 4 comma 1. Next solution, minus 5 comma 7. When x is equals to minus 5, y is equals to 7. So, draw a perpendicular line of x axis which is parallel to y and draw a perpendicular line of y axis at 7. So, here. Next one, minus 2 comma 5. So, here x is equals to minus 2 and y is equals to 5. Draw a perpendicular line of x axis at minus 2 and draw a perpendicular line of y axis at x is equals to 5 which is parallel to x axis. Meeting point is called minus 2 comma 5. Join these solutions. So, we get the graph of 2x plus 3y is equals to 11. First question, draw the graph of the equation completed. Find the value of y when x is equals to 1 from the graph. Once again, I repeat, second one, find the value of y when x is equals to 1 from the graph. Here x is equals to 1 from the graph is here. So, draw a perpendicular line of x. So, it will intersect the line at y is equals to 3. So, this is the second one answer. When x is equals to 1, what is the y value? 3. 1 comma 3. When x is equals to 1, so final our solution is when x is equals to 1, y is equals to 3. So here scale is equals to, on x axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit, on y axis 1 centimeter is equals to also 1 unit. This is the scale. Let's revise the question. So when draw the graph of 2x plus 3y is equals to 11, find the value of y when x is equals to 1 from the graph. Here the given linear equation is 2x plus 3y is equals to 11. So y is equals to 11 minus 2x by 3. So here I have to take x is equals to 4 minus 5 and minus 2. So we get the values of y. 4 is equals to 1, minus 5 is equals to 7, minus. Here represent these solutions on the graph. So here 4 comma 1 and minus 5 comma 7. Here minus 5 comma 7 and last one minus 2 comma 5. Here minus 2 comma 5. So join these points. So we get a straight line. This is the graph of given linear equation 2x plus 3y is equals to 11. So next our question is find the value of y when x is equals to 1 from the graph. Here when x is equals to 1, draw a perpendicular line of x axis at x is equals to 1. It will meet the straight line at y is equals to 3. So what is the y value? When x is equals to 1, y is equals to 3. You should write here. So next one, scale. On x axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. On y axis 1 centimeter is also 1 unit. This is the graph of given linear equation and find the solutions from the graph. This is our fifth Roman from exercise 6.3. Draw the graph of equation 2x plus 3y is equals to 12. This is first one. And find the solutions from the graph whose y coordinate is 3, means y is equals to 3. Whose x coordinate is minus 3, means x is equals to minus 3. This question is related to our topic, find the solutions from the graph. So second one is related to our topic, find the solutions from the graph. Here our given equation is 2x plus 3y is equals to 12. So transpose the terms, 3y is equals to 12 minus 2x, y is equals to 12 minus 2x by 3. When we have to draw a graph of given linear equation, at least 3 solutions are needed. So here we have to remember one condition. The substitution of x value after the simplification, the results must be a multiplier of 3. Otherwise we will get a fraction. So the fraction is difficult to identify on the graph. So here I have to take x is equals to 0. So y is equals to 12 minus 2 into 0, 0 by 3. So 3 4s are 12. When x is equals to 0, y is equals to 4. So next one, when x is equals to 6. So y is equals to 12 minus 2 into 6 by 3. So that is equals to 2 6 are 12. 12 minus 12, 0. 0 by 3 is equals to 0. Here 0. X is next one, x is equals to minus 6. Substitute x value instead of x in the given equation. So y is equals to 12 minus 2 into minus 6 by 3. So that is equals to minus into minus plus 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 12, 24 by 3. So 3 8s are 24. When x is equals to minus 6, y is equals to 8. Here 3n minus 3 also factors of 3 when substitution instead of x. But I don't like to take when x is equals to 3 n minus 3. Here my intention is finding the solutions from the graph. That's why I have to take x is equals to 0, 6, n minus 6. Identify these points on the graph. First one 0, 4. X coordinate is 0. Y coordinate is 4. Here x coordinate is 0. Y coordinate is 4. Next one x coordinate is 6. Y coordinate is 0. Here x coordinate is 6. Y coordinate is 0. Y is 0. X is 6 here. And next one x coordinate is minus 6. Y is 8. Draw a perpendicular line of x axis which is parallel to y. And draw a perpendicular of y axis at y is equal to 8. It is parallel to x axis. So the point is here. Point is called minus 6 comma 8. This one is called 0 comma 4. This one is called 6 comma 0. Join these lines so we can get a straight line. The name of the straight line is 2x plus 3y is equals to 12. So here we have to find y is equals to 3, x is equal to question mark. Here y is equals to 3. Draw a perpendicular line of y axis which is parallel to x axis. This dotted line intersects the 2x plus 3y is equals to 12 at this point. Draw a line from point to x axis. So it will meet the x axis on 1.5. It is nothing but 3 by 2. So the coordinates are here x axis coordinate is 3 by 2 and y is 3. And next one x is equals to minus 3, y is equals to question mark. Here x is equals to minus 3. Draw a perpendicular line of x axis which is parallel to y axis. So the dotted line will meet this straight line at minus 3 comma 6. Minus 3 comma 6. Draw a line this point to y axis. This dotted line will meet the x axis at 6. So the coordinates of the point is minus 3 comma 6. This is the way we can find any coordinate solutions from the graph. This is the procedure. Here the scale is on x axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. On y axis 1 centimeter is also 1 unit. So here solutions are minus 3 comma 6. When x is equals to minus 3, what is the value of y? It is 6. And again 3 by 2 comma 3. When y is equals to 3, what is the x value? It is 3 by 2. These are the final solutions. This is our 6th Roman. Draw the graph of each of the following equations below and also find the coordinates of the points where the graph cuts the coordinate axis. Here the coordinate axes are x and y. The question 6x minus 3y is equals to 12. So transpose the terms. Minus 3y is equals to 12 minus 6x. So y is equals to minus 3 transposes to divided by 3. So 12 minus 6x by minus 3. So that is equals to 6x minus 12 by 3. Multiply with minus. Here I have to substitute x is equals to 0 and 1 and 2. So when x is equals to 0, y is equals to, substitute instead of x, 0 minus 12 by 3. 6 into 0, 0, minus 12 by 3 means 3 4s are 12, minus 4. Next, when x is equals to 1, substitute instead of x is equals to 1, 6 into 1 minus 12 by 3, that is equals to minus 6 by, here 3 2s are 6, that is equals to minus 2, here minus 2. Next, when x is equals to 2, y is equals to 6 into 2 minus 12 by 3, that is equals to 6 2s are 12 minus 12 by 3 is equals to 0, 0. Identify the solutions on the graph. So when x is equals to 0, y is equals to minus 4. When x is equals to 0, y is equals to minus 4. Here 0 comma minus 4. Next solution, when x is equals to 1, y is equals to minus 2. When x is equals to 1, y is equals to minus 2. Draw a perpendicular line of x-axis which is parallel to y. Draw a perpendicular line of y-axis which is parallel to x. So meeting point is called 1 comma minus 2. Next solution, when x is equals to 2, y is equals to 0. When x, here, when x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 0. Join these points, we will get a straight line. The name of the line is 6x minus 3y is equals to 12. So the first question is completed. Draw the graph of each of the following completed. And also find the coordinates of the points where the graph cuts the coordinate axis. Here the graph cuts the coordinate axis at x is here, that is 2.0. At y is here, that is 0 comma minus 4. The graph cuts the coordinate axis at 2 comma 0 and 0 comma minus 4. This is the second question solution. So 2 comma 0 and 0 comma minus 4. Finally, the scale of the graph, scale on x-axis 1 centimeter is equals to, on x-axis 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. On y-axis 1 centimeter is also 1 unit. This is the final solution of given problem. Okay, my dear students, in exercise 6.3, Roman number 4 and Roman number 6, second one, third one, problems as your homework. If you have any doubts, please contact my number. Thank you.